So we've just woken up in a whole nother freaking country. It's a bit rainy this morning, but so far we can see a lot of lushness, some bloody clear water, and looks like we can see some locals on the beach with one of their traditional sailboats.
Wow, they've got their sails up and everything. Looks like a catamaran.
Our first day in Sudus Island of the Louisiades archipelago, we were super excited, but also very nervous. As this is our first time traveling overseas by boat, we weren't really sure of the protocols. Are we even allowed to anchor here? Should we approach the people first, or just wait for them to visit us? How do we find the chief? There really is not a lot of information available about these islands, so it kind of felt like we were blindly arriving to a new country.
So we're just putting together like a little offering to when we first go over there, just ask if we can stay here for the night. And we're just trying to minimize like plastic and stuff that we give. Got these handy little bags that Poppy got from the op shop that we're putting everything into. So we're taking a bit of rice and some tea, and just a kind gesture really.
I just thought it'd be nice to put a little note on the back of the bag. So we've got some translations that I've downloaded of Pidgin, which is the local language here. So I've looked up how to say nice to meet you, which is good pela long bunging you, and Hamas, enjoy your meal. So I'm gonna write that on the back of this bag and put Ryan and Poppy. So cute, eh?
Eh?
Eh? So we're about to head off to the land. We're both a bit nervous. I don't know, it's just a bit of a nerve-wracking thing. First time in a foreign country, arriving by boat. But yeah, and I've had to wear some more conservative clothing as a woman, so I've got a long dress on and shorts. Just a little bit different than my normal attire, but here it's very heavily Christian and conservative. Officially set foot on land, and this is really surreal. It is just so peaceful and beautiful and alive, and I don't know, this is just really crazy just to believe that we've made it, and we've met the locals. We met 4 of them on a traditional boat, and they were fishing. There was George, Augustine, John, and Alex. They've actually invited us to come spearfishing tomorrow, so maybe cook up some fish with them. So yeah, it's pretty cool.
They were very like welcoming and very safe on this whole island really, and that everything here is good, which is a nice thing to hear, and that we're free to kind of cruise about. Yeah, so it's very exciting.
And they're gonna love how good of a spearfisher you are. You're gonna come bring in all the fish.
They'll be
like, who brought this guy?
Yeah, so really, really awesome start to everything.
Yeah.
And I feel like a lot of our nerves have calmed a little bit.
Yeah.
But still slowly, I think it's a process to slowly like, for everything to click and to integrate, I think.
Like, you just wouldn't believe it's blowing like 24 knots out there. Like, how is it this calm?
Sheltered in this lagoon is crazy.
And we're scared away off in the distance. It's just so calm, it's ridiculous.
So much lushness is overlapping the ocean. Hey guys, welcome to Once Upon a Reef channel. We're Ryan and Poppy, a couple of adventure junkie sailors out to explore the most amazing reefs and islands in the world.
We hope by documenting everything this lifestyle encompasses that we will inspire, raise awareness, and support ongoing research to do our part in protecting these natural life systems. Subscribe if you're on board, and come sail away with Skateaway.
Our second day in Sudus Island of the Louisiades archipelago, we were already immersed into the local life. As mainland Papua New Guinea works to keep up with the times, these remote islands are still living subsistence-based living, where old customs are very much alive. In most parts of Melanesia, traditional sailing and outrigger canoes are fading out, but here there are plenty, and are a vital means of harvesting food and resources from the sea and trade between the islands.
Okay, that's really good. What is it? You're not doing it good?
That way.
Watch and learn, man.
What's bad here? Where the edges? You want to try? No. Sit down. Watch it.
Hey!
Oh, no, not too big. Make it small.
Yeah, I get it. Yeah, small bits at a time. As we both struggled to accustom ourselves to local ways, our new friend George showed us how they make a barbecue, or what they call picnic.
You come here every day, make this?
Yeah.
Okay. We have one.
Do you ever sleep here during the day?
What's that?
In here?
Sit down like this.
Do you ever stay there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
With no electricity, the only way to store fish is to dry them. When you live entirely off the land, it is crucial to know food preservation techniques.
For dry, for the fish.
Yeah, and then
Dryer.
And then you put something on top.
Yes. Sticks on top and then put the fish on top. Good.
To dry the fish, they make a grill over the fire from sticks, then cover the fish with green leaves to keep the heat in and not burn.
You can preserve it for how many days? 2 to 3 days.
2 to 3 days.
Okay.
Yeah.
Smoke it with the fire.
Yeah.
Not like boiling it.
Yeah.
Only for today and finish.
Okay, man with the fish.
You want more fish? How did you say more? Oh, fish again? More.
Moro. Hey! Nice.
Hey!
Go and eat it.
Don't eat this.
That's actually really nice. Really smoked. I don't know what fish it is, but it's good. You want to try them?
Great.
Yeah, it's pretty good, isn't it?
While we waited for the fish to dry, they taught us a local game called target shooting. Show us how it's done. The aim of the game is to get your sharpened stick stuck in the tree.
Oh! That was good. Oh! That was a good one.
Oh! Whoa! Oh! Whoa!
Yum. How's the fish?
Yeah, nah.
This one? I don't know, what is Danish fish my
You took the knife.
Fish with the coconut. Oh, okay.
I'll go with the coconut. We have just had the most magical day. I don't know, I'm almost a bit speechless.
Yeah, they all cheered every time I come up with some fish, which was nice. Not huge fish.
Well, yeah, because like by our standards, they're not like legal, I guess, in Australia. Like they're
They're
way
all
too
baby
small, and some of these you wouldn't catch because you'd be like, oh, that's disgusting. But even the ones that Ryan caught, they were tiny, and they were probably fish we wouldn't want. They were like, oh, that's a good one.
Yes.
Like they're cheering and so excited. They eat everything. Like we asked them what's their favorite fish. They're like, we eat all fish.
Yeah.
You know, like they're really here just to live off the land. So this is what they, this is what they eat to survive. So they're not picky about it. And then afterwards they were like, oh, we'll go have a picnic.
I thought it was going to be a quicker thing, but it ended up being most of the day.
Yeah.
I even got one takeaway.
Yeah, they wrapped it up in a leaf for us.
Got some cold trout. Yeah, it's nicely smoked over the fire. We just had one of the coronation trout. So delicious with that smoky flavour. Hey.
And you eat it with a bit of coconut. So they got these coconuts and they tied them together in a knot so you can carry them easily.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's just been such a great day, and tomorrow they're coming back for more diving and more adventures.
We're gonna try beetle nut with the actual mustard and the lime that they crushed with the coral and boar's shells sometimes.
Gonna have the bloody looking teeth.
Yes, I was asking about fresh water, and it's been a drought for the last 7 months. Usually you can go up these rivers and there's waterfalls and everything, but that's all dry. But yeah, they have minimal water right now.
So I think they really rely on the coconut. They can't even catch any rainwater right now. It doesn't rain enough. So.
No, and they don't have tin roofs or anything to catch it on. Like they just got the thatched roofs. And we asked a bit about pirates. It sounds super good here. There's certain areas that they've been warned about. I mean, they said they mainly want to target like businessmen and rich people who've got a lot of money and even like bigger cargo ships. They said if they come on board, they'll just take like all the valuable stuff.
Yeah. Well, that would suck. But
yeah, we're just trying to avoid all those areas.
And they're just incredibly nice and welcoming, and like, I don't know, when do you get to go to a place and then they just like come hang out and teach you and show you everything about their way of life? Like that's exactly what I've always wanted.
We're just asking questions all day long and they're just laughing at us trying to do stuff, but it's so good.
So yeah, tomorrow will be another adventure.